Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a disappointing day once again. Yesterday, the Nifty broke 23,500. It broke just by 4 points. Then there was a short covering. Nifty shot up more than 200 points. Today, what happened? The entire 200 point has been wiped out. And look at the market for the last 6 trading sessions. Every day it has been making at least a 200 point move. But one good thing is that yesterday it was 200 point move down, again up. But today no such thing happened. So especially on an expiry day, market trading, in one direction is good for option writers. Another good thing today is that the Nifty, though it went very close to 23,500, so it did not break yesterday's low. So that is one small positive thing. HDFC Bank kept on falling, and for the last 5 trading sessions, HDFC Bank has fallen more than 125 rupees. So that is an average of 25 rupees every day. And because of that, the Bank Nifty kept on falling. Nifty did not break yesterday's low, but the Bank Nifty broke yesterday's low. I think with this, Bank Nifty has fallen, I think about 5,000 points. So that is, more than 10%. An index falling more than 10%. And many stocks are falling 30%. Look at Axis Bank, look at Bajaj Auto, look at Tata Motors, look at Reliance, look at Asian Paints, look at Britannia, look at Hindustan Unilever. Everything has fallen 25-30%, right? So big discount sale is going on. So if you are willing to buy the market. TCS was very, very volatile ahead of its results. The results have come after the market hours. The results seems to be in line with expectation. Many people were asking, TCS future was trading about 20 rupees lower than the spot price. But now they know their answer. They have declared a dividend. In fact, the dividend is much more than expected. So usually PSU companies will declare liberal dividend, and not to reward you, but to reward the government, because the government has the majority stake in all the PSU companies. The same way, TCS always declare very liberal dividend, not to reward you, but to reward the promoter holding of 75%. So Tata Sons owns the majority stake, so Tata Sons will be the major beneficiary. Since US market is closed today, it will be very difficult to gauge the impact of TCS results. So we will have to wait until tomorrow morning. Today, all indices were down, all sectoral indices were down except FMCG. Out of the top 5 stocks, 3 stocks are from FMCG. So people are moving to defensives from the cyclicals. FII Selling, another great disappointing day. FIIs have sold for more than 7,000 crores. With this selling, FII Selling has crossed about 12,000 crore in the month of January. Entire December, they have sold only 16,000 crore. So January, we still, today is only 9th of January, we still have 2-3 more weeks. I think 3 more weeks. And, so they have already sold for about 12,000 crore. So looks like, some people were expecting FIIs to come back in the month of January, but that is not happening, with the rupee falling to the lowest level. So I think markets are going to be in trouble unless, some corporate results turn good and budget turns out to be good, right? So usually only the crying baby get the chocolate. So therefore, markets will be very, very bad ahead of the budget. Then only the budget, they will do something good. Otherwise, you don't cry, you don't get the chocolate. Okay. So HSBC downgraded India from overweight to neutral. So they reduced the target by about 5%. Of course, they are very late. Mr. Sundar downgraded in the month of October itself. In many channels, especially Tamil channels, have given an interview. up to September 2024, markets will be good. From October onwards, it's going to be in trouble. So, any positives? Some chemical sector did well today. Many chemical stocks shot up 10%, 12% today. Probably due to some news that, some refrigerant gas price increase in US, so those stocks were affected. So those who had a chemical, once upon a time, chemicals, especially specialty chemical, was a favor of darling of stock market actually. So now probably those things may come back. So otherwise, the markets are very bearish, and again trying to go to 23,500. You may remember my famous analogy. The more you hit a tin, the tin will break ultimately. So the more you are trying to test the low, ultimately that low will be broken. Or the more, when the resistance is tested, so that resistance will be broken. So we still believe 23,500 is a support. Like this, once the corporate results are good, so the markets may recover. So at least Nifty should go back to 24,000 plus in order to be bullish for the long term. So right now things are looking very, very bad, and then India VIX keep rising. So there is also bad news. So anyway, so remaining things we will see tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.